If you're looking for a BTD 15,000 watt light, 3,800 feet remote control, I'm going to show you how to install, hang up, and what this light is about. BNT 15,000 watt street light, 3,800 square feet, 5730 LED beads. It is a street light with an instruction guide for pole mounting up to a 4-inch pole or hang on the wall with the included anchors and pole. This is the pole. Support on the bottom, heavy duty, powder coated. Goes around a 4-inch pole with bolts, screws, and washers. Comes protected in plastic. It's ABS. The LED beads, the on and off and control panel, the PIR sensor, and more. Everything's included except optional AAA batteries for the remote control. We have well over 1,200 LED COBs in the panel, 160 all the way across of 7 layers. As the unit is set up with the batteries in the on position, you hit the on button and the solar array on the bottom for testing, and the light will light up. On the remote control, we have an off and on, 25, 50, 75, and 100%, and the auto to the PIR and dusk to dawn. We have a 3, 4, or 5 hour timer with the 1 and 2 mode. Mode number 1 or mode number 2 would be 30% of brightness to light up to 100% after so many seconds, and 0% off, light up to 100% brightness when walking into the PIR sensor. On the window over here, we have increments of 25% in red when charging in the sun. What we're going to go do now is hang up the parts. We have the pole, heavy duty. We have the bracket that goes on like so, or a bracket that goes on to the opposite end as well. We have the 4 bolts, washers, and nuts with the supplied open end wrench. So let's go outside to the pole and go hang up. You're given spare parts and you're given masonite parts. Hang in the wall, lag bolt on wood, anywhere imaginable, 3,800 square feet, 28-foot distance, remote control. Hang it about 10 to 16 feet up to light up the area. We have the pole bracket that goes onto the base of the unit with 4 bolts, washers, and nuts that go into the hole, and we lock into place by screwing down. We can place in the pole and secure down, so this way as we get up on the pole, all we do is slide the pole in and secure each bolt. On the opposite end, we started with 2 bolts, washers, and nuts. We get to the pole outside, we finish off with the 2 bolts and lock down. We're going to show you what it looks like on the pole installing. This is the pole we're going to be hanging up, and what we're going to be doing is installing and showing you how to put the pole on the 4-inch pole. You can use the open end wrench or optional tools. Place on. The bolt head washer. And nut. Spin on and put all 4 on. This demonstration, we're all set up, ready for the next step. I have a tool that we're going to lock down. Poles can go as high as 28 feet. Optional poles not included. Simply place on, upside down so the pole could slide in. Right side, solar array facing to the sun. With the open end wrench, you could tighten down or use the tool. Secure all bolts down. We're all completed. We'll come back in the evening hours and demonstrate what the light looks like. We're manually turning the light on. You'll see a large red indication where the charging and the battery percentage is at. We will see the light go on when dusk hits, when the photocell sensor triggers low light. A few minutes later, the light is triggered. We'll bring this down to 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. What we're going to do is hit the auto, and that'll trigger dusk to dawn. It'll automatically come on the next time it's dusk and dawn. It'll shut off and repeat until you shut it off. We have here our two modes. We're going to hit the mode on the left-hand side, and we're going to walk away. Within so many seconds, about 30 seconds, the light will either dim down or fully shut down. The light fully shuts down. As soon as it detects motion within its PIR range, it'll trigger on. As you can see, I slowly moved. We're going to hit the mode on the right. It'll dim down to 30%. And as soon as I move in motion towards the light, it'll trigger on. I'll sit here for 30 seconds. It is dimmed down to 30%, and I hardly moved and it triggered right on. We are back on to dusk to dawn, so the light will not trigger to the motion side. This is your BTT 15,000 watt LED light, 5730s, over 1,200 LED beads. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. What we'll do, we'll give an overhead shot looking down at the light, how it lights up, 3,500 to 3,800 square feet. So if you're looking for that light to light up your area, this may be something that you are looking for. I hope you enjoy the product if this is right for you.